Here I'll show you how to use the other helping program, very small program that goes together with Loose Moose tracing. That program is in same folder and its name Image Tools. So I'll show you how you open File, then convert to Scale. You can invert, try to invert or go back. This picture is, this photo is not good. Now it's good, but it's ugly. And if I wanna go this way, her left eye will not be cut properly. And for this kind of bad lights are the only way to improve it, click grid and then something like this, press enter and say black polygon. Now it's all connected. Connected. Or you can instead of doing that, you can insert horizontal lines, but now it changed. So I'm saying this photo is not, it wasn't good for cutting. You have to practice to choose light or other tricks like hair over face, glasses, good light, and I'll show you for some good bitmaps. Here is with glasses. Okay, scale, and this one is possible to cut on plasma because everything is connected. Or this one will be okay. You try here, this one, and so you can use glasses or good light. If you choose good light position and make a photo, you can cut it. For example, this picture looks, it's not good for plasma cutting, but actually it is. You'll see. I'll go down. Yeah, this one is possible to cut and it's good light. I'll show you some other pictures with good light. Or this one. Or this one. This one is good too. This one is good too. Let me see more. Or hair. Because look at this picture, because hair is over face, it will connect all what you need for. This is too much. Go this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. And now I'll save it. Here, 29. Okay, that's it. Now I will run trace. Open bitmap. I'll find portraits. Well, hair. You see this when I trace this. Move move here, clean by area, clean by area, clean, 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 reduce to 20 to 10%. Let's preview it now. This is possible to cut on Plasma because everything is connected and it looks fine. I'll show you more. I cannot do this. This is yeah, that was bitmap, yeah, without any cleaning. You need bridge here, like now. Oh no. I need union. I need always click union this way. It's better. That's it.